Okay, welcome to our first video on how to use the companion website for our Go Math textbook. In this brief video, you're going to see how to log into your account, how to find any assignments that have been given to you, and then how to complete them and turn them in. So before we start, I have a couple tips and tricks for you. First off, you guys know by now that we have two websites we're going to be using in class this year. The first one, laurengiordano.org/Ryerson, is my personal website, which has links to our textbook website as well as a bunch of other resources for you guys. The second one, my.hrw.com, is the textbook website. My suggestion is to add both of these to your favorites menu at home, and that way you can quickly access them whenever you need them. You have all been given login information for the textbook website. It's on a sticker in the front cover of your planner. I'm going to suggest you write it down in a second place and leave it at home. And that way, just in case maybe your planner is in your locker one night and you need to log in, you have that information in a second place. The passwords that were provided were really strange, and they're not the easiest things to memorize. And the last thing that I found is the book website works more smoothly in some internet browsers than others. So if you're running into trouble where things aren't loading properly, try another browser. So far, I have found Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox to be very successful. So I'm going to pop into actually Google Chrome, and I'm going to start off on our class website. And if you come down to the second section here under textbook, you'll see this pretty blue link, which brings us right to the Go Math website. So if you click that link, you're going to be brought to your login page. And here, you're going to put in your username and your password. I have a fake account set up, actually under my dog's name. So I've typed in the username and the password. You're going to click login, and that's going to bring you right into your dashboard or your home page. And you should see up in the left-hand corner your name. And you're going to see this page is broken into three sections: my progress reports, my resources, and my assignments. The only one we're going to worry about right now is my assignments. So we'll scroll down. And in this section, you are going to see any assignment that I have given to you. And this is how you will access and complete it. In this initial box here, you'll see the start date, which is the day that you're allowed to go in and start completing it. You'll also see what date it is due. So this example one is started on August 11th and is due on August 14th. You can click on the Details tab and find out if the assignment will be timed, if you're allowed to view the assignment yet, and also if you will see the score of the assignment. And in this case, we have a yes for both. I can go in and see the assignment, and I can see the score when I'm done. And the last piece here is a note. Sometimes I might write you guys a note regarding the assignment. This one was a rather boring note. I just said it's a sample assignment. So you have two ways to access your assignments. The quickest and the easiest thing to do is to click this green start button. Now, one little warning: if your internet browser has a pop-up blocker on, this new window will have a hard time opening, in which case you're going to have to go in and turn off that pop-up blocker or change the settings so that it allows pop-ups for this website. And then you're going to access your assignment. And you'll see this has 6 questions. And I'm going to go through and I'm going to complete them to the best of my ability. For multiple choice questions, you're just going to click the letter choice that you believe to be the best. And once it's turned blue like that, it's selected. Over to the right, you have 2 options here. You have Turn It In. If you click Turn It In, that means you're completely done, you're happy with your answers, and you're ready for the assignment to be graded. Your second option is Save and Close, which means I started my assignment, I'm not done yet, but I need to go to soccer practice or I need to go eat dinner and I'm going to come back later. And what that will do is save your progress, and then when you log in later, you can continue where you left off. So I'm going to go through and I'm just going to click some random numbers here for time's sake. We'll see how lucky I get with my choices. And then when I'm done, I'm going to go over here and say Turn It In. And notice the screen closed and it brought me right back to my home page. So at that point, I will get a message saying that you have completed your assignment and you are all set to go. So what I'd like you to do now is turn off this video, go ahead and access both our website and the book website, log in, and find your first assignment. Good luck.